How to transfer a TikTok account to another phone. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok. There is no such option as transferring account, but what you can do is simply open TikTok on your new phone. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on login located at bottom, and then you can use phone number, email, username, Facebook, or Google. Simply continue with one from which you made your account. Simply log in with your ID and then you're good to go. You'll find all your TikToks in your new phone. This is how to transfer a TikTok account to another phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophie signing off until next time.